Ever heard of a law so bizarre, you think someone made it up just to have a laugh? Today, I'm counting down the top 10 most unbelievable laws from around the world. And trust me, some of these are absolutely bonkers. Kicking things off at number 10 in Switzerland, it's illegal to flush the loo after 10 p.m. in an apartment building. Apparently, the noise is considered a form of noise pollution. So, if nature calls late at night, you'd better be stealthy. Number 9. In Venice, it's against the law to feed the pigeons. They're trying to keep St. Mark's Square clean, but you could land a hefty fine for handing out crumbs. At 8, we head to Singapore, where chewing gum is strictly forbidden. Unless it's medicinal, don't get caught with a stick. They take littering very seriously. Number 7, in France, it's illegal to name your pig Napoleon. Whether you're being disrespectful or just trying to be funny, the law is not on your side. 6. In Canada, it's illegal to pay for anything worth over $1 in coins. Time to stop dreaming about paying for a car with pennies. Halfway through at 5 in Japan, dancing after midnight was banned until 2015. You could party, just not with a boogie. Number 4. In Denmark, it's required by law to check under your car for sleeping children before you drive off. Sounds strange, but better safe than sorry. 3. In Australia, changing a light bulb without a licensed electrician. That used to be illegal in Victoria. Number 2. In Samoa, it's against the law to forget your wife's birthday. Good luck explaining that one to the judge. And at number 1, in England, it's illegal to be drunk in a pub. Yes, you heard that right. The very place you'd expect it. So which law surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more weird wonders from around the world.